Hey, it's Grab and Go, and I just wanted to show you all these beautiful teas at the grocery store. And there's so many new teas. I just wanted to share all these with you. This brand here has been around forever. The Bigelow. They now have like this vanilla caramel. That looks, I love caramel. Now, up here on the top, I have the orange spice I love, and the peppermint is my favorite tea if I get sick, okay? If anything goes wrong and I get sick, I want peppermint tea with honey stirred in the mix and like a half a packet of stevia. But there's so many different teas, and now they even have a cold tea. Okay, so all these teas kind of focus on being a hot tea. Right here are 3 new boxes of what they consider to be a cold water infusion tea. And to me, these look really good, especially the watermelon cucumber mint. I already turned it around though to look at what's in here, and I will show you. So for the watermelon and cucumber flavors, a little disappointing it's not like real cucumber something. It's just a flavor of a cucumber. I'm going to politely bend down and pick this one up. But look at all these green teas. Even that one there. And then they have the lemon with the ginseng. Trying to put that one back. But there are just so many teas out here. I'm really impressed. I just wanted to share some of these teas with you, some of these new things that I'm seeing. I've tried this one before, but it had too much of a lavender flavor to it. Wasn't crazy about it. And it looks like this here is already made for you. You just have to take the lid off, and the teas are already in these containers. It's much like when you buy the chicken broth or vegetable broth. That's really neat. Oh, that's funny. London Fog Latte. And then they have the skinny. These must be doing pretty well though, because if you look behind them, they're getting a little empty. It looks like they did pull this product forward. But that's not bad if you're taking something to work and you just don't have time to make it and you want to grab something to go. And as far as what I mentioned with the iced teas, here's another one right here with the Tazo brand. I saw a few other of the ice mixes as well with different brands. Here's a new brand I've never heard of called Stash. Double Spice Chai. Oh my. And look at how good they make that look. Doesn't that just look awesome? I might have to try that one. I don't know. Private Selection is a Kroger. My favorite, and I don't see it here, it's called Red Rhubarb. It looks like it would be called Rubios. But someone told me, they corrected my pronunciation politely. They said it's rhubarb. And these right here look like a new popular thing. Look at that. Gypsy Cold Care. Here's another one I had trouble pronouncing. I may still be pronouncing it wrong. Echinacea. I thought it was like echinacea. And I was told it's echinacea. Mother's Milk. Wow, what sounds like it could be better than Mother's Milk? Oh, Smooth Move. That is really interesting. And these teas, looks like people are buying the Smooth Move stuff. They have a few rows and it's going back. Oh no, I take that back. It's the Nighty Night that's selling out on this one. And then there's the traditional ginger tea. Here's one. I was told that this one's called Rubos. I thought it was Rubios. I've tried this one here before, the Bedtime Yogi. It did not work. I'm just going to be really honest with you. I'm going to help you save money, people, with these teas. If I don't like it, I'm going to let you know. But going over here, this brand here, I'm going to show you something I like, is that when you spin the box around on the back, it tells you how the tea tastes. You see it right there? Okay, and it says it has some bitter notes. When they say bitter notes, I am not going to be interested. And I'm going to turn the ginger around and see what it says on the ginger. Pleasantly spicy and warming. Now we'll turn around the peppermint. And the peppermint says it has a probiotic. Peppermint I like when my throat hurts. And yeah, the peppermint that I usually get, it does have kind of an earthy taste. But the peppermint in there, it does really open you up and make you feel better. Turn these teas back around. But that is neat that they have that on there. Let's look and see what the Smooth Move tastes like. Well, this one says it's sweet, aromatic, and is spiced with orange notes. I have found that I don't particularly care for, well, I don't know. I do like an orange tea, but it's going to have to be like a sweet orange tea. The blood orange, I can't stand. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying listening to me yak about these things. I'm going to bend down, bending my knees. I'm coming down to the Bigelow. This is Bigelow with benefits. And this one here looks interesting. It's a rose and mint herbal tea. And then right there you have the chamomile herbal tea. And then a cinnamon and blackberry herbal tea. I'm going to turn that one around. Remember, on some of these we can see what they taste like. I'm not sure with this one. Nah, it doesn't really say. But yeah, there are so many teas. I'm seeing some of these things that have probiotics in them. Probiotics are supposed to be really good for us. There's one of the traditional Earl Grey teas that have been around forever, it seems. I've heard some new things about that one right there, kombucha. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, I don't know. Mango ginger for digestion. It's really neat. And here's another brand up here that's just like that other one down there that comes in a box. That is, all you have to do is unscrew that lid and you've got your tea right there. And compared to the price of the coffee drinks, that's not too bad of a deal. You know, when you get the coffee lattes. So I think this is just really interesting, all the teas. I think there's going to be a new tea craze, if you want to know the truth from what I'm seeing. And all of these teas are above eye level and within an arm's reach. But if you want to go for the traditional Lipton tea that I've been drinking since I probably came out of a bottle when I was little, it's on the bottom shelf. Even the Kroger brand tea for the regular black tea is on the bottom. So I'm going to come back and show you. The only thing I'm really seeing eye level that's popular is over there, the Louisiana. tea. The others are bottom shelf. So there must be something going on with these teas. Again, if you ever get sick or you get a sore throat, strep sore throat, this one brand right here, and I'm not making anything off of this brand, they're not paying me, but that peppermint tea right there really does help to soothe my throat. And it's not just the tea. Remember, you got to put like a big tablespoon of honey in there. Here's some Lipton teas though. It's not your traditional things. This is Bedtime Bliss. On that Bedtime Bliss where you see the word orange peel, that just makes me want to run the other way. I'm not a big fan of lavender either. I thought that said hand relief. I don't know why. The head relief. So I guess if, I don't know if that's for a headache. It's interesting. I'm going to turn it around though, because I was just mentioning the peppermint. It says an herbal infusion for those times when your head feels less than its best. Carefully selected herbs like peppermint, lemongrass are blended with natural essential oils that make every cup delicious. That doesn't mention if it gets rid of your headache or not. So I don't know, maybe it's for like sinuses. And then here are some of your probiotics. Well, I am going to grab a couple of these teas and try them. Well, at least one. I'm going to try one new tea. I don't want to buy too many. If I don't like it, I'll try to see maybe if my daughter might like it. Alright, this is Grab and Go Advice. I'm going over some new teas with you and hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Alright, have a great day. Have a blessed day. Spread peace, love, and as always, happiness.